Hey everyone. Welcome to Hidden Gems of the Digital Age, the channel where we uncover the best kept secrets of the digital world that you need to know. From underrated apps and innovative gadgets to websites that will transform your productivity, we're here to bring you the hidden gems that can make your life smarter, easier, and a whole lot more fun. Every day, we're bombarded with recommendations for the latest phones, apps, or gadgets. But let's face it, sometimes the truly amazing stuff gets lost in the noise. That's where we come in. This channel is your one-stop guide to all things cool and underrated in the tech space. Okay, let's dive right into today's first hidden gem. How often have you found yourself endlessly scrolling through app stores, looking for something new to spice up your daily routine? Well, let me save you some time. This is Notion Ink Slate, a minimalist note-taking app that's unlike anything you've seen before. It's built for creative professionals and thinkers who want to take brainstorming to a whole new level. With its clean interface, AI-assisted suggestions, and customizable workspace, it's a must-have for students, entrepreneurs, or anyone who loves to stay organized in style. The app's flying under the radar right now, but trust me, it's going to blow up soon. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, you know where to find it. Next up on our list of hidden gems, this tiny powerhouse is the Sonic Zipper, a portable SSD drive that not only stores your data, but also backs it up in real time to your cloud storage. How cool is that? It's ultra light, super fast, and gets the job done in seconds, perfect for content creators or anyone who needs to manage massive files on the go. Plus, the design. Chef's kiss. You've probably never heard of it, but it's about to change the game. Don't say we didn't warn you when it becomes the next big thing. So there you have it. Two incredible hidden gems that are making waves in the digital world, quietly, but powerfully. Whether it's a groundbreaking app or a life-changing gadget, you can count on us to bring you the most innovative and underrated tech that deserves to shine. If you enjoyed this episode, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the next big find. Until then, keep exploring and stay ahead of the curve, here on Hidden Gems of the Digital Age.